am back with another fade art video. But wait, this time it's on rock. So, what we are waiting for? Let's start the unboxing. This kit is from Solobolo. Inside this, we got thank you page, some instructions, and some pretty sturdy solid rocks. Fluid paints, straws, apron, and at last pair of gloves. thinking what happened to the back side of the rock.
So let it dry and then I painted it plain because I really don't want to spoil the design. I really like the design, how it came out. What do you think? Comment down below. And here's the bonus. I think it's a great way to reduce the wastage of colors. And it came out pretty good. Let me know if you like it too.
This kit is of 999 rupees, which I got for 699 rupees from Amazon. Though I saved 299, that is like 300 rupees, I find little expensive. I tell you why. I'm disappointed with the amount of color they are giving. This is a 25 ml bottle, which is from the kit of Solobolo, and this is from the kit Camelin, and this is also 25 ml bottle, but this was full. And when I received this bottle, this was half full. It should be full, not half. It's just that you should give more colors. At least fill the bottle. That's the only request. Because we are paying 700 rupees and we even not getting the colors properly. Rather than that, this kit is good. You should try it out if the amount of color doesn't bother you much. And if you're interested in more fluid art videos, link is in the description box below. I'm using this Camlin fluid art kit on canvas. Try it out. Don't forget to comment down below. See you again with another interesting unboxing video. Till then, bye bye.